Making money online is easier now than ever before. But what if I told you that some people are claiming to earn USDT just by completing simple tasks through a Telegram bot? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today I'm going to test one such Telegram bot called Gmail Farmer Pro and answer the biggest question: is it real or fake? I'm not here to blindly promote this bot. I'm here to show you exactly how it works, what I experienced, and whether it actually pays. So before you try this yourself, watch this video till the end, because there are some important things you need to know. In the world of online earning, Telegram bots have become very popular. Some promise rewards for watching ads, some for referrals, and some for completing tasks. This particular bot claims that users can earn between 16 cents to 25 cents per task by completing Gmail-related tasks. When I first saw this bot, I was skeptical. Earning money online is never as easy as it sounds, and many bots make big promises without delivering anything. But instead of judging it immediately, I decided to test it myself. I started by opening the bot and checking its main dashboard. The bot showed options for tasks, account history, referrals, and withdrawal. At first glance, it looked professional, with a clean interface and clear instructions. The bot explained that users need to complete certain Gmail-related tasks, submit the required information, and then wait for approval. Once approved, the reward is added to the user's balance. Now, this is where things get interesting. I completed a task, submitted it, and waited to see what would happen next. Next, I checked the My Account section. Here, I could see a list of submitted accounts along with their status. Some were marked as pending, while others were marked as approved. This gave me a clearer picture of how the system works. Tasks are first reviewed, and only after approval is the reward added to the balance. Step 4. Referrals. The bot also has a referral system. If someone joins using your referral link, you may receive additional rewards. This is a common feature in many Telegram earning bots, as it helps the bot attract more users. At this point, everything looked organized and professional. But the real question was still unanswered. Does the bot actually pay? Now comes the most important part of this video, the withdrawal proof. Because no matter how good a bot looks, the only thing that matters is whether it actually pays. Withdrawal process. After my task was approved, I requested a withdrawal through the bot. The bot displayed a message saying payment sent successfully and showed the withdrawal details, including the amount, method, wallet address, and transaction ID. According to the screenshot, the withdrawal amount was 16 cents USDT through the BEP20 network. The bot also claimed that there was zero withdrawal fee. I then checked my wallet to verify whether the payment had actually arrived. And yes, the USDT was received in the wallet, matching the amount shown in the bot. What this means? So, based on my personal experience, the bot did send a small payment. However, this does not automatically mean that the bot is completely safe or guaranteed to pay everyone in the future. Online earning platforms can change their rules at any time. Some bots pay small amounts initially to build trust, and later users may face issues with approvals, withdrawals, or account restrictions. So earn while you can. As there is no investment involved, there is no risk. Just give your 5 minutes, and you will get something in return. Final verdict. So, is Gmail Farmer Pro real or fake? For my test, the bot did send a small USDT payment, so it appears to be working at least for this withdrawal. But I would still call it not a guaranteed source of income. Still, if you want to check out the bot, the link is in the description. Go and check out.